are indeed blessed to have been given not only once, but twice blessings from Surrey Filipino-Canadian Society of Village Colombia. We are given 700 food packs for our pupils. Last year, during the onset of this pandemic, we were given 500 food packs for our pupil recipients. This, sir, is really what our pupils need at this point in time. Dito po sa aming paaralan, we nourish them with knowledge, but doon po sa pinakaharap na problema ng kanilang pamilya when it comes to finances, this is what we can do. To look for partners, to look for donors who will be our partners to give for our pupils. So, napakalaking tulong po, Sir Ed, ang inyong ibigay sa amin. Maraming salamat po. We really look forward to be working with you, to be one of your recipients in the days to come. We look forward to more blessings from your organization. We really cannot thank you enough for always choosing us. Kami pong paaralan, pero kami po ang inyong tinutulungan.
Thank you.
sir, for the printers we provided for the teachers. Alam mo po, lamang po ang teachers ang natulungan po with the printers because lahat po ng printouts natin ay i-take po namin sa ating mga estudyante. So, with that, sir, once again, maraming salamat po from our 1,301 pupils, 39 teachers, and 4 non-teaching personnel. May God bless you more, sir. God bless your organization. Stay safe and healthy.
I'll try my best to everything accommodate ko kayo. And because I need to see the kids, and that's you guys mentioning the important is the kids, the schooling, especially yung mga kailangan ng tulong. We can give it as long meron pa tayo. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. And nandito lang ako. Grasya, dumating. And I'm sharing my grace to everybody, not only Canadian, not only in England, and also my fellow kababayan. Maraming salamat.